John and Dieselman back at the legendary Nydiesels.com. Just put together a nv4500 here. All the gears were perfect in her, but we tore it all down, put a new main shaft in it, all brand new synchros, blocker rings, and bearings and everything. She should be completed here in a little while. Just wanted to show you while we still had her apart. And everything's great. You know, when you come to nydiesels.com, you get a drivetrain that's guaranteed. You know what you're going to get. When you buy other trucks out there, those guys aren't shops. They're not dealers and shops. We are the only place in America that is a Dodge second-gen place that redoes trucks, and we also are the repair shop. So we can actually show you what you're going to get. Think about that for a minute. We're selling you the truck, but we're also the repair shop that does the work. So we can show you what you're going to get. You go buy something somewhere else, you don't know what's inside it. That's why we show you what's inside our stuff here. You get all brand new synchros, bearings, you know, the whole NV4500 kit to freshen this thing up here. If there was any wear on anything, then we would change it. We go right by the book. And so that's what you get. And you'll get a new clutch and turn flywheel in every truck. This is the transmission for Katlyns. And just excited for you. So when you get something from us, you have all the confidence in the world. And Anthony did a good job. And the thing is that the main shaft didn't really even probably need to be changed, but according to the book, the very, very specific book that tells us how to assemble and disassemble these, we changed it because there's just a little bit of wear on the splines. Most guys would never change that, probably, unless they're a professional shop, and then I'm guessing that hopefully they would. So we're going to do it by the book, so that's what you get is a transmission done by the book. nydiesels.com, 607-423-7729, or John at nydiesels.com. Do you need your tranny rebuilt? Do you need a transmission? Do you need an engine? Do you need your engine rebuilt? Do you need your truck painted? Do you want us to do one of your trucks, like our Highline trucks? Do you want one of our Highline trucks? Do you need aftermarket parts? What do you need? Get a hold of us. Get a hold of us. We're the best in the business. Thank you.